jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what's it fun is to ride on one reindeer and one sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Merry Christmas, everyone. Welcome, passengers, and hello and welcome everyone to Shay's Christmas Countdown Day 2025, and today is day 23 now. So I'm at Station 1, so we're going to see running session today. Yeah, we're going to see service by from West Midlands Railways, London Western Railway, Fancy West Coast, Cross Country, Thameslink, and the Yard, Great Western Railway, as well as Thomas the Tank Engine and Diesel. Yeah. Obviously, I'm back to Station 1 from the first ever Shay's Christmas Countdown Day. Yeah. So we're going to see trains passing by, like steam, diesels, and electric trains might be appearing soon. Yeah. So let's get started here, and what turns up? Passing through here in the running session. Alright, so our first train of the day is going to be a Western Rail's Turbostar passing by through me. That is 1705. Oh wait, that goes a 126 grams to hour train just running, yeah? Just passed through. Yeah. So let's do another one. Oh, so the next shot can pass by is going to be a cross-country Turbostar passing through. One 1705 passing by. Well, there goes past by is Eastman's Railways. 221, or is that 801? Yep, I think it's 810. Yep. So we have departing. There's a Fancy Bus Coast Pentaneo running is 3905. Yep. Alright, so there goes a high-speed train is a cross-country service. Nope, is running on the running one. Yeah. It's 4305, 43066. Alright, there's a high-speed HSD just going faster and faster past through the level crossing besides me. I like one of the trains passing through level crossings on station once. It's my best part. Well, now I'm back in station 1. There goes another cross-country HSD just passed by and I'm crossing again. As we still got 390 running there. There goes a cross-country HSD just passed by. (4305, 4305, 43066 just disappeared again. Now I'm watching from the view of the bridge, seeing a 390 HSD pass by. Now I am now watching from this side of the rails, from the bridge. I was blown away by a HSD in the 390. Oh goodness, how funny I am now. Oh, this is the final part of this now. And off they go. Alright, so there's a cross-country Porsche 05 running. So a dog pair ones is more header, like 32305, 32367, 32305, 32304, and 32309. Yeah. So that's it now. Yeah. So as the 323 stock pair is still running around, yeah, I shall leave it there. Thank you for watching and advice. Appreciate it. If you like, if you do, please subscribe to my channel, click the bell for notifications for the next upload. Oh, it's a good time visiting Station 1. Yeah. As we still had something. There's a 32312 car. Yeah. Yeah. Well, it's a good time visiting Station 1. Yeah. And also the crossings sat beside them. Yeah. Well, it's a good time visiting Station 1. But yeah, so since I'm walking over there to go somewhere else, yeah. Well, I will see you guys tomorrow on day 24, what I'm going to be planned for. The plan was to be featured, would be day 24 will be seeing high-speed trains and community and express high-speed trains going at speed. Yeah, and there's a bus stop and a crossing besides the line. Yeah. Well, I'll see you guys on day 24 back to the UK. Yep. And then I'm recording. Yeah, I'm going to record a video of commuters and express high-speed trains around Westminster. Yeah. So today, guys, goodbye. I'll see you guys in day 24. Bye-bye. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. What a fun is to ride on one horse and one sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas to you all, and a Happy New Year to you all. Bum. See you guys on day 24.